Tired of sifting through endless leads, wasting time on those who aren't a good fit? This video will show you how to integrate Scoreapp with Follow-Up Boss using Make, streamlining your lead qualification process and allowing you to focus on the hottest prospects first. Head over to Make and create a new scenario. Click the plus sign to add your first module and search for Scoreapp. Select Scoreapp and choose the Trigger New Scoreapp Submission. Connect your Scoreapp account by clicking Add and following the prompts to authorize the connection. Next, select the specific Scoreapp project you want to monitor for new submissions. Now, let's connect Follow-Up Boss. Click the plus sign after the Scoreapp module and search for Follow-Up Boss. Select Follow-Up Boss and choose the action Create Person. Connect your Follow-Up Boss account just like you did with Scoreapp. Now comes the fun part, mapping the data. Click into each field in the Follow-Up Boss module and use the Scoreapp variables to populate the corresponding fields like first name, last name, email, and phone number. To automate lead scoring, create a custom field in Follow-Up Boss called Score. Map the score variable from Scoreapp to this field. You can also add tags based on the score. For example, if the score is above a certain threshold, add a hot lead tag. Finally, test your scenario by clicking the Run Once button in Make. Submit a test entry through your Scoreapp form to see the data flow into Follow-Up Boss. Once you confirm everything is working correctly, activate your scenario now. Every new Scoreapp submission will automatically create a person in Follow-Up Boss, complete with lead score and relevant tags, allowing for immediate follow-up.